everyone. This is Vineet Kumar.
I am Vijay Garg.
I am Archit Sharma.
I am Upendra Kumar.
And I am Yogesh, and we are going to introduce you to newly proposed UV washing method.
Clothes are a necessary part of our life and protect our body from dust, pollution and germs, and of course gives a decent look.
But they get dirty and stingy due to sweat, pollutions, etc. Therefore, it is necessary to wash it time to time. Conventional washing does remove all these parts, but the germs, what we are mainly concerned of, are still there even after the conventional washing.
Bacteria from fecal matter or from skin, namely Staphylococcus, can be found on clothes or towels, and detergent don't really kill them. Well, if you dry your clothes in sunlight, then it can be killed with the UV rays of the sun.
The water used in the washing get contaminated with the virus or the germs that are present on the clothes, which further gets drained into the sewage water. And there are many incidents found in which it happens that the coronavirus is found in the sewage water.
Well, when this sewage water from different houses discharges into the river, it contaminates the river and affects the aquatic life as well. Therefore, it is necessary to treat this water at the source point only. Means it is necessary to remove all those bacteria, viruses, etc. at the initial stage. So, keeping in consideration of this, we came up with UV based washing method, what we are going to discuss about further.
Now, as told earlier, the sole purpose of proposing this system is to eliminate the possibility of viruses getting escaped from washing water to sewage. And for that, we have used UV LEDs whose intensity and exposure can be controlled. Now, this is the UV system, and if I turn it on, and this is the on-off switch, by the way. So when I turn it on, LED will start blinking. This is the timer LED. Now, like I said, now if I rotate this knob, it will turn on or turn off the LEDs, making it to control intensity of these LEDs, or intensity of the whole system actually. And this is for the timer. Now, this is on the max setting currently, and if I rotate this knob, the timing of the system will get controlled. Like, this is the minimum setting of the timer. As soon as this is the reset switch, by the way, of the timer. See, now the timer has tripped the relay, and the power supply of the whole of the system has been cut off. Now, to turn it on again, I have to switch on this switch or reset the timer again. Now the timer has been reset again, and for a particular timing, this system will glow. In addition to its disinfectant feature, we have also tried to modify the conventional washing system to a complete ergonomical laundry system. And for that, we have included a laundry basket and ironing system. Both are attached to it on the side. The UV system employed in this can be used on both sides of the washing machine. That is on the dryer side and the washing section in which we have used it. And this is for the semi-automatic, and it can also be used in fully automatic though. Well, as you know, prolonged exposure to UVC, which is used in this system, is harmful to humans, and so one should refrain to turn it on when the lid is open. Even the lid should be open only after 5 minutes of the turning the system off. Well, the outcome of this system could be improved by doing more research in this area, again which requires more resources. However, we would be glad if companies from India come forward to make this happen. It would also promote Make in India campaign of our government.